Hi fam, if you want to see what I do with these Dollar Tree items and make something glamorous, just continue to watch. So this will be a Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to use one of these Dollar Tree pumpkins. As is, we're not going to paint over it or anything. I think it's beautiful right by itself. But if you want, you can use the smaller one. Dollar Tree does sell this one and you can design it yourself. You're going to need some of these rhinestones, clear rhinestones. These come from Walmart, but Dollar Tree has them as well. And I'm going to use this fingernail polish that has the glitter in it, and I got that from Dollar Tree, as well as a Totally Dazzled brooch. I'm going to use these 3 pumpkins from one of Dollar Tree's fall pumpkin sign. I'm going to use half of this round foam, and I'm going to use one of Dollar Tree's large pizza pans that they have now. They have this size and a smaller one. There may be one more, but I'm not for sure. So we're going to take the jute twine off of our pumpkin and we're going to use it for our hanging piece. So that's what we're going to do first. We're going to secure the hanging piece on the back of our pizza pan, now our canvas. And while you watch this, guys, I'd like to thank you for sticking with me during this time that I've been away. I want to let you know, guys, that I am slowly coming back, and just continue to hang in there with me, and eventually I'll be back 100-fold. And guys, I'm going to put some cardboard on the back of this to help secure it as well. So now I'm going to take some of this mesh from the Dollar Tree, this pretty fall mesh with metallic in it, and I'm going to scrunch it up into little like fan things, and I want to put this throughout our project. I just wanted something a little bit different, so I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to take some not zip ties, but the, y'all know what I'm talking about, them gold things right there. And I'm going to wrap it around each little bundle to get it prepared to go inside our project. And I think I can get like 7 or 8 out of this row. So, but if you don't want to do that, you can always do the traditional way of twining it in and out of your project. But I just wanted to do something just a little bit different. So just bear with me and watch me do this. I'm trying to still think of the name of the little things. Oh God, you know I've been gone a long time if I can't think of the name of those things. Oh, so I think it's like 7 or 8. You can count those. And then once we're finished with those, I am going to bring up the pan, and I'm going to attach the big pumpkin up there along with the half of the styrofoam. And while I'm doing this, I am going to just decorate the floor foam as you will see fit. I think for some reason, I think this clip is going to be out of sync a little bit, because I think I do show you the green floor foam up here before I show you this. But if not, I just want you to know that that's what I'm doing here. I'm just decorating that half of the foam that I have connected to the pizza pan along with the large pumpkin. And once I finish decorating this floor foam, and like I said guys, this is your preference, I am going to take those two of those small pumpkins and I'm going to position them, one at the top of the large pumpkin and one at the small part of the pumpkin. So you can make this as full as you want or as sparse as you want. And as you can see, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to cover up as much as that pizza pan as I possibly can with more of this fall florals. So just continue to watch and know that you don't have to decorate it the same way I have it decorated. You can decorate it to your preference. I'm going to add all sorts assortment of these berries to it. So like I said, as much or as little as you want, that is really your preference. And like I said, I'm getting ready to attach two of those small pumpkins right to the center, one at the top, the one that says it's fall down at the bottom, so it can read sort of thankful and blessed is fall. And the top one is going to just be a plain pumpkin. Or you know, you can add, if you have a cricket, you can add the family name, like the Evans, thankful and blessed is fall, or goodbye cold, thankful and blessed is fall. I mean goodbye hot, I'm talking about cold. So yes, but as you can see, I'm positioning this one kind of up so it won't get lost in all of the foliage of the project. But guys, as I said, I'm going to make this glam as well, but right now this is traditional, and the only thing I'm going to do to make it glam is I'm going to use the clear rhinestones, and I'm going to put it all down each one of the pumpkins veins, and I'm going to also put some of them inside of the foliage itself, so on the leaves and different things. And I'm just going to add some more green in here and there, but like I said guys, this right here is something that, you know, you decorate the way you want to decorate it. I'm going to eventually take that raffia off, and I'm going to put it on the small pumpkin, place not want not, and I'm going to make a a messy bow, and I'm going to put that messy bow on the large pumpkin, and as well as I'm going to use my Totally Dazzled brooch on the messy bow to put some more glam in there. And as you can see, I'm just adding more greenery. You never can go wrong with greenery, guys. Greenery always brings out a project or a floor arrangement. If you feel like you're missing something, just add some greenery and it'll tie everything in. And as you can see here guys, I'm taking a mixture of the ribbons and I'm just going to make a messy bow with it. And once I make the messy bow and attach it to our project, guys, you're going to see our wreath. And I hope you enjoyed this project, but I know you heard enough of me rambling. So guys, thank you again for sticking it out with me. And like I said, I'm not 100% back yet, but I am on my way to it. So just continue to be on the lookout for videos And once again, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. And when I say that, I truly, truly, truly mean it.